Everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Genxs. So, we're going to be doing some quick size comparisons, like in all videos. Genxs right here. Atlas. Huge yo-yo. Now we're going to be doing the Edge. So as you can see, it is very, very teeny tiny. And the inside of it is kind of like the Super G. The inside of the yo-yo is very distinct. Diameter. Edge. Atlas. So yeah, that's the kind of overview of the yo-yo. Now let's throw it. So guys, this yo-yo is a little bit different than other yo-yos just because of its size. But it snaps really good, and the response pads are really, really responsive. So I'd assume that's just because of the tininess of the yo-yo. It's hard to hit tricks, obviously, because it's super teeny tiny. But finger grinds. Oh man, finger grinds. Now, if that's not a glorious finger grind, I don't know what is. We got finger spins. I'm almost positive it's not gonna... Oh, that's so gross. Oh, it has this texture inside, and it makes this gritty sound like your finger on sandpaper or something like that. Finger spins are not good. Finger grinds good, finger spins not good. It has a very strange weight to it because you'd think a yo-yo like this would be kind of light, but no, it's very heavy. It's a pretty good yo-yo. I wish they would have just made it bigger. Definitely not competition worthy. You can barely hit hooks. You have to move your hand back. It's very hard. Hey, you can do some good tricks with it, but mostly not really. I wish they would have just made the size bigger. That's my only complaint. It would be a great yo-yo if it was just a bit bigger. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. Comment if you have any questions about the Genxs, because I don't know really when it's going to be released if it's not already. Yeah, that's been the video. See you guys tomorrow.